Alright, Common Gamer here. I'm doing an unboxing video of this US Army helicopter playset. I got this from my mom. She went to the States recently, came back and got me this. I got this guy, a little pulls, some sort of soldier. It goes in there. That's an MP5. And there it is. Here's the back. It was $7.99 US, and it originally was $13 US. Not sure what store that's from, but this is US Army Y Toys Action, wherever Y means. But oh well. Alright, some sort of federal law thing. For ages 4 and up, but there's no note to 3 sad onions. Okay, let's unbox this, shall we? Alright, oh, there's one. Okay, I already got the tape slit. Open this thing up and see what's. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What is this, Fort Knox? Holy crap. Make it so hard to get into. Sheesh. Alright, let's just set this camera down for right now. I'm gonna try to open this up. Here. Come on. Josh. Made this out of Fort Knox. I don't know if there's any more tape on this or not, but trying to get this. Bear with me. Got it. Alright. There might be more tape. I'm not sure. Alright, got it. Okay, there it is. Alright, let's set this out and situate it. Okay. Alright, here's a backpack, a survival pack. All the stuff a soldier needs, like MREs and everything. Ammunition. Alright, let's just shoulder out. Not super posable, but that's okay. There he is. Looks kind of mad. Looks like he, I don't know, looks kind of really angry. Yeah. Here's his gun. Right here. Alright, let's get this helicopter out too. Here's the chopper. Get to the chopper. Here it is. Looks like a Walmart one that I got at Walmart. I'll show you at a later date. Except they paint it in US Army colors. There. Let's see. Let's have him have the binoculars on too. Get these binoculars, put them on his head. Around like this. And see. Binoculars don't really fit on him very well. Let's see. Try to get these on. Yeah, trying to get these on. Got him. There. Maybe the other way. Like this. There. Got it. There's binoculars blowing in the wind. Like that. Let's see. Let's have him hold the MP5. Let's see. I think the gun might be a little bit too big for him to hold. Come on. Hold that weapon. Oh well. Okay. Maybe the gun's a little bit too big for him to hold, but I'll just put the gun inside the helicopter like that. Or I'll just, I don't know. So sit down, maybe. I'm gonna try to get this knapsack out of here. Oh, got it. Alright, let's put this on his back, his little backpack. And come on, get through the hole. There. Got it on. There he is. He's all ready to march around with his big huge backpack on, and he's gonna sit down on this helicopter right there, and he barely fits inside this. There he is. He's gonna get himself chopped off of the rotor blade. It doesn't even fit. That's so funny. Okay. Do not start the rotor blades, or you'll chop your head off. And I'll put this gun on him. See, like this. Come on. Hold on to your gun, soldier. There. There he is. Okay. Maybe he has to take off his backpack while he's flying. Alright. I'll just take this backpack off. Maybe put it like this. Like that. And then you can sit down like, hey. Like this. There. Got him. And then here's the backpack like that. Doesn't look very comfortable, but hey. He flies around like this. And fires this gun too. Yeah, let's fly around. Alright, let's get the hook. I just lost my backpack. I need to get that. That's also my MREs. No, someone stole my MREs. Not gonna be starving. Well, hope you enjoyed this. That's all of me for right now. It's Conline Gamer. Signing off. Please comment, subscribe, hit the like button.